5 best brokers to invest in stocks in USA. If you want to invest in the stock market and you're based in the United States, you already know the choice of broker can make or break your results. Fast platforms, low fees, intuitive tools, and strong customer service are just some of the key factors that separate the average from the excellent. But choosing the right broker is not always obvious. That's why today we're diving into a carefully selected ranking of the 5 best brokers to invest in stocks in the United States, updated and optimized for 2025. We've looked at fees, features, reliability, mobile experience, regulation, and what real users say. And spoiler alert, the number 1 in this ranking might surprise you. Let's get started. Number 5, Merrill Edge. Merrill Edge is the brokerage arm of Bank of America, and if you're already a Bank of America customer, this might be a very smart option. What makes it stand out? Zero commission trading on US stocks and ETFs, real-time research powered by Bank of America and Morningstar, seamless integration with Bank of America accounts. Users highlight how easy it is to move money between accounts and how clean the interface feels. It's ideal if you want to manage banking and investing in one place. But while it's excellent for beginner to intermediate investors, active traders may find the platform a bit limited. Still, as a no-cost option backed by a major institution, it absolutely earns a spot in this ranking. And if you think that's a good deal, wait until you see what's next. Number 4, Fidelity Investments. Fidelity has been around for decades and for good reason. It's one of the most trusted brokers in the US, and in 2025, it's more relevant than ever. Here's what makes Fidelity a favorite. Zero commission trades on US stocks, ETFs, and options. A wide range of investment products, including mutual funds and retirement accounts. Highly rated customer service available even on weekends, advanced research tools, and educational content. One of the features people really love is the ability to buy fractional shares, perfect if you want to invest small amounts in big companies. And the mobile app? Sleek, fast, and loaded with features. Fidelity also ranks consistently high in customer satisfaction surveys. It's a well-rounded platform for long-term investors. But if you're looking for even more flexibility and global access, keep watching. Number 3, Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is known for innovation, customer service, and serious value for money, and their platform keeps improving year after year. Why is Schwab still a strong pick in 2025? Commission-free trading on US stocks, ETFs, and options, access to international markets via global trading accounts, powerful desktop and mobile tools, no minimum deposit required to open an account. One of its standout features is Schwab stock slices, allowing you to invest in fractions of popular stocks with just $5. It's a great option for both beginners and more experienced investors who want reliable execution and broad capabilities. Real users often praise the clarity of account statements, ease of use, and how responsive the support team is. But the most versatile brokers are yet to come. Number 2, TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade continues to be one of the most feature-rich brokers in the United States, especially for those who want more advanced tools. Let's break down what makes it such a strong contender. Zero commissions on US stocks, ETFs, and options. One of the best trading platforms available. Thinkorswim, extensive educational content for all levels. Virtual trading simulator to practice without real money. Thinkorswim is particularly powerful, offering real-time data, advanced charting, and customization tools that go far beyond basic trading apps. Even though Charles Schwab acquired TD Ameritrade, the platforms are still fully functional in 2025, and users love the flexibility. People highlight how easy it is to access professional tools without having to be a pro trader. And now, it's time for number 1. Number 1, Interactive Brokers. When it comes to power, flexibility, and global access, nothing beats Interactive Brokers. And that's not just our opinion, it's backed by thousands of satisfied users and professional traders. So what makes Interactive Brokers the number 1 pick in this ranking? Ultra low commissions on US and international stocks, access to over 150 markets worldwide, advanced trading platforms like Trader Workstation, fractional shares, automated rebalancing, and robo-advisory tools, unmatched order execution and pricing transparency. Whether you're a casual investor or a seasoned pro, Interactive Brokers has the tools you need. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, options, futures, bonds, and even crypto, all from a single account. Plus, the mobile app IBKR Global Trader is ideal for investors who want fast, clear trades without complexity. The platform supports multiple currencies, real-time market data, and deep research tools that many brokers charge extra for. And what do users say? They love the low fees, the access to global markets, and the feeling of having professional-grade tools at their fingertips. It's the most complete broker in the ranking, and definitely the one to consider if you're serious about long-term investing. Remember that you have the links to the brokers mentioned in the description and in the first pinned comment in the same order as in this video. And very important, this video is informative and reflects personal opinion. It is not investment advice. Always consult a qualified expert if you need personalized help. If this helped you choose the right platform to start or improve your investments, give it a like. Subscribe to stay updated with tools, rankings, and strategies that save you time and help you invest smarter. And remember that in the description of this video, you'll find useful resources that can save you time and money. Take a look. You might find exactly what you need.